the boy or the girl. We will use the scientific method to investigate the question in a fair and scientific way. We observe that both the boy and the girl can shoot a basketball. However, sometimes one person seems to make more successful shot than the other.
I think I can make more shots because I play basketball often.
I'm not sure about that. I think I can make just as many shots as you. Based on the observation, we noticed that there may be a difference in the number of successful shots made by the boy and the girl. From our observation, we came up with a question: who has a higher chance of making a basketball shot? Is it the boy or the girl?
Before conducting the experiment, we made a prediction. We hypothesized that the boy has a higher chance of making a basketball shot than the girl because he plays basketball more often and has more experience. We will test this hypothesis by having both participants take the same number of shots from the same distance and then compare the results. Today we will conduct an experiment. The boy and the girl will stand at the same distance from the basketball hoop. Each participant will shoot 3 consecutive shots. Each shot will be recorded. After 3 each attempts, the boy resulted 2 over 3 shots and the girl resulted in 1 over 3 shots.
Now let's analyze the data. I made 2 successful shots out of 3 attempts.
I made 1 successful shot out of 3 attempts.
To calculate the probability or chance of making a shot, the boy has 2 successful shots divided by 3 attempts is equal to 66%. And the girl has 1 successful shot divided by 3 attempts is equal to 73%. This means that the boy had a higher successful rate than the girl. Based on the results of our experiment, the boy had a 6 chance of making a basketball shot, while the girl had a 33% of chance. Using the scientific method, we were able to answer our question in a fair and a systematic way. Thank you for watching.